We have a diagram na PV o PS. So, atong na PV. Itong PV natay 1 to 2 compression and 2 to 3 constant pressure. So, atong 3 to 4 is expansion. So, 4 to 1 is evaporator. So, atong base diagram is natay 1 to 2 na centrifugal na compression, 2 to 3 na heat reject, kung 3 to 4 na constant enthalpy. So, atong 4 to 1 is heat outlet. So, we have a problem number 1. So, the evaporator pressure is 250 kPa and condenser pressure is 100 kPa. So, we'll give you this. H1 is also 240 kilojoules per kilogram. So, H2 is 280 kilojoules per kilogram. H3 is 100 kilojoules per kilogram. H4 is 100 kilojoules per kilogram. So natin is natin formula na QL is equals to H1 minus H4. So, natin nagiging po na itong value natin H1 40 minus 100, H4 is 100 is equals to 40 kilojoules per kilogram. So, the next is magkakag WC is equals to WC is natin H2 minus H1 na formula. So, okay po na itong value natin 80 minus 240 is equals to 40. So, the next is COP. So, COP is ay formula na QL o WC. So, QL is 140 at WC is 40. Plus 85 So, the next is a system pool. System pool is 5 kilowatts of water, cooling, refrigeration. So, effect is 50 kilojoules per kilogram. So, the solution is mass equals QL over QL, refrigeration. So, itong i-convert na itong 5 kilowatts to 5 kilojoules per second. So, itong mass is natay, i-equal na itong value natay 5 divided 100. Attention na 0.03